Welcome to another episode of Connect Outdoors. We are talking about shotguns. Welcome to another episode of Connect Outdoors, where I score all the points because this is not a game show. We're hopping right into the world of shotguns, where we're going to be going over the different types of actions that you can find in shotguns today. Doing a little bit of skeet shooting, doing a little bit of squirrel hunting. I'm excited, and I hope you are too, and not sitting on your living room couch watching me in your underwear, because that would be weird. So put some pants on and let's get right to it. Hey guys, we're here at the OK2Carry gun range here in Muskogee, Oklahoma. Go like them on Facebook, follow them on Instagram, and check out all of their stuff because they specialize in training you to get your concealed carry license, so check them out. So if you're new to hunting, shotguns could be a little confusing with all the different types of gauges and actions, so we're here to smooth that over. So first up, we have our double barrel shotgun. It's a beautiful shotgun. Next on the list, we have our over and under. Then we have our semi-automatic. Then the tried and true pump shotgun. Then the really hard to find, but really cool bolt action shotgun. So we're going to get into it just a little bit deeper. First up on the list is the double barrel shotgun. They call it the double barrel shotgun because it is side by side. So a really good classic gun. Next up on the list is the over and under. They call it the over and under because the barrels are over and under each other. This is chambered in 12 gauge and it is a beautiful, beautiful gun. Next on the list is the semi-automatic shotgun. So what that means is when the shell is in there, every time you pull the trigger, it will shoot, and it's semi-automatic. Right, next on the list is the tried and true pump shotgun. As you can see, they call it a pump shotgun because it pumps. This one has been through a lot with me, and it was one time used as an oar, so you could finish the story yourself. Last but not least on the list, we have the kind of hard to find but really cool bolt action shotgun. This is chambered in 410, and it's got this bolt on it, which was why they call it bolt action. And this is just a great little squirrel gun. Shotguns have been a favorite across the world because of their versatility, whether it be protecting your family or providing for your family, hunting from doves all the way to deer with just a single shotgun. If you had to own one gun, it's gonna have to be a shotgun. We got them all covered, and we hope you enjoyed that segment. Now, stay tuned for story time. My first shotgun was a single shot 12 gauge that my grandpa handed down to me when I was little. And the best day of my life, and I cannot wait to hand it down to my son when he gets older. It's gonna be a good day. Now, we're gonna take a quick break, and when we come back, we're gonna get into some skeet shooting action. But seriously, don't go nowhere, because it's about to get good.
Other wireless companies need 4-page brochures to explain plans that are too complicated and cost way too much. We are not like the others. We are Bravado Wireless. We offer one line of unlimited talk, text, and 4G LTE data for only $40 per month, with no minimum number of lines and no hidden fees. This is your year to be bold, connect fast at the best price. We live where you live, and we are proud to be a part of your community here in Eastern Oklahoma. We are Bravado Wireless, and we believe in the power of connection.
Welcome back, and right now we're going to get into the good stuff, shooting. Skeet shooting, that is. And skeet shooting is one of my favorite pastimes to do with my friends and my family. Usually ends up in an intense competition between who is the best shooter. Most of the time, I end up being the top dog because I am the best. No need to send hate mail because I don't have an email that you know of. Anyways, we're going to get right into it. We're going to head out to the range, throw some lead downrange, shoot some skeet, and have a good old time. All right, welcome everybody to this segment on Connect Outdoors. We are at the trap shooting range here at the Cherokee Wildlife Management in Oklahoma. I've got my dad, I got my brothers. We're going to be playing a little round of skeet shooting and something that we like to call skeet shooting knockout. Something that you'd play in basketball in high school, but with a little twist. We got some guns, we got some skeet, we got some ammo, so let's get to it. All right, so how we play skeet shooting knockout is we have a skeet thrower and we have multiple shooters lined up. You will have shooter number 1, 2, 3, 4, and a skeet puller. Shooter number 1 will say pull, and it will pull skeet across the sky. Shooter number 1 will take a shot, and if he hits his mark and busts the skeet, then they rotate. Shooter number 1 goes to the end of the line, and shooter number 2 moves up to shooter number 1. Now, in the scenario where shooter number 1 says pull, and the skeet goes across the sky, and he misses, and shooter number 2 misses, and shooter number 3 hits. Shooter number 3 has knocked out shooter number 1 and 2, and they are out of the game. Pull. Another way to get out of the game is if shooter number 1 says pull, and shooter number 2 shoots and hits the skeet before shooter number 1, shooter number 2 is then out of the game. So like we always say on Connect Outdoors, practice safety when you are around firearms. Always wear your safety goggles and put in your ear protection. All right, pull. Rotate. Busted. Rotate. Good job. Rotate. So now I'm shooter 1 and I'm up to bat. So let's see what happens. Pull. All right, so I missed, but shooter 2, my brother, did not hit. So everybody's safe. Good boy. We got 3 out of 4 left, so let's see what happens. Ready? Pull. Nick got that one.
From nationwide coverage to live high school sports to the great outdoors and so much more, we've got something for you. We're a local wireless carrier right here in Oklahoma. We work for your town, in your town. But great cell phone signal in rural areas is just scratching the surface. We also broadcast live events from all over eastern Oklahoma. High school football, basketball, baseball, dirt track races, livestock shows, and community events. Everything to keep you connected in your community. We're also producing original shows like Connect Outdoors and Cooking Wild that shines a light on real Oklahoman experiences. You can find us at bravadowireless.com, or you can search for us on Facebook or YouTube. You can even find us on the Oklahoma Sports Network. You can download their app straight to your phone, Apple TV, Smart TV, or Roku. We don't just create for Oklahoma, we are Oklahoma. We're Bravado Wireless, Oklahoma's service provider.
Whether your roads are dirt, paved, or if you're blazing new trails, the roads we travel lead to all of our most cherished places and people. Bravado Wireless strives to keep you connected wherever the roads may take you. We are the leader in wireless mobility and connection in Oklahoma and across the nation. We carry some of the market's top cell phone brands, fast, reliable home internet, and even greater customer service. Locally owned and operated right here in eastern Oklahoma. So whatever roads you travel, Bravado Wireless has them covered. From beginning to end. We are Bravado Wireless, and we believe in the power of connection.
Orange dust in the air, celebration everywhere. I'm your reigning champ. That should be on a song right there. Oh, rhymed again. Now, we've gone over all things to do with the actions. We've put some practice in at the range, and now it's time to take advantage of these cool mornings with some squirrels running overhead in the trees and get some hunting action going. So let's get to it. Join me in the field as we do a little bit of squirrel hunting. Oh, I didn't see you there. Good morning. Welcome to the field. We're here and we're going to be knocking down some squirrels. It's going to be fun, so come on. So we just heard a squirrel bark and we decided we'd make a move over here, so now we're just trying to see when he moves first. Should be any minute now. Alright everybody, we made it to a spot that we think is going to be a good spot. There's a lot of squirrel nests. There's acorn trees, hickory trees, pecan trees all in here, and they're big trees. And then there's this open canopy underneath. So we found this log and we're going to sit here and wait. There's so many ways to hunt squirrels, and this is the way I was raised to hunt squirrels. Is we just
find a good spot where there's squirrels high, and we just sit and we wait for them to move. Because when you're walking through the woods, they'll either get in their nest or they'll hug a branch, and they'll just be as still as possible, and you'll never see them. But if you just sit down and wait for about 5-10 minutes, they can't sit still for very long. So they'll get up and move and want to eat and want to scurry around like little squirrels do. So we're just going to sit tight and we're going to see what happens. There's one coming right now.
All right, one down, more to go. Pretty little fox squirrel. Boy, squirrel hunting's fun.
All right, everybody, we're taking a little break real quick. I'm letting these squirrels get back to normal, but I'm going to go over a little bit of what we're shooting today. This is a Winchester 20 gauge semi-automatic, and since this is the shotgun episode, we decided we would take out the shotgun and show you that it can hunt squirrels as well. So good little gun to shoot with. Decided I would pick this for my weapon of choice today. It's working out pretty good so far. That one, we worked hard on that one. There's another one over there somewhere.
All right, squirrel number 2 in the bag. Got another fox squirrel. We had to work hard on this one. Get back to it.
Coyotes display a weird habit. Why coyotes gotta poop on a log? Why? Coyote poop on a log. Can't just poop anywhere else? Gotta poop on a log? Are you too good to poop on the grass or the leaves, coyote? Gotta poop on a log.
All right, everyone, that's going to wrap up this segment of the squirrel hunt. So we had a whole lot of fun. We only killed 2 squirrels, not as many as we thought we was going to kill, but hey, we had a good time doing it. So grab a shotgun, grab an air rifle, and grab some good friends. Go outside and have a good time. We kind of jumped the gun, and we were a little excited to put these squirrels on the smoker. They're already cleaned in the truck, or we would have shown them to you, but hey, we're ready to go. So again, I encourage you to get out, grab some buddies, and enjoy the great outdoors. Oh man, there's nothing like being in God's great outdoors, and this is what it's all about right here, is connecting you guys to the great outdoors. So grab your family, get outside, enjoy some vitamin D and some fresh air. It does a person a whole lot of good. Trust me on this, it does a person a whole lot of good. So if you like this episode and you'd like to see more original content, head over to bravadowireless.com. I'm Nate, and this has been Connect Outdoors. Skeet a shooting in and the shotguns. We recording? Welcome to. Yeah!
Please, Jesus.
We good with that? All right. Yeah! Why do I look like I got a chaw in my mouth? Yeah! Yeah!
That works.
I look like dadgum. Gotcha. Okay, gotcha. Boy, that was great. What? Stay tight, Cherokee. I'm not gonna do that. Nope, it's cool. Go back. I'm gonna do some finger guns. I need pow pow. Welcome back, and we're gonna get into the good stuff. That's so funny. I am the best. Shooting. Because this is America, and it's the right thing to do. My brain quit. I'm wearing a rain champs now. I'm gonna go through the shotgun. What? What? No. Okay, Calton. Take a kid away, steal a child. What should I do? Hey, Michael, get out of here. That's what I want to say in my brain. For some vitamin. Yep. Did my swan dive. What'd I say? Huh? What'd I say? One more time. Here we go. One more time. Shut up, John. Shh. A whole lot of peoples. I want to do one more. I'm trying. We're done.